Hi, my friends, and welcome to German A1 series again. And today the topic is Essen und Trinken, and we will focus on vocabulary, which is Wortschatz. Chapter number 4 from Netzwerk Neu. So let's start. You have to keep writing and you have to speak after me each word. So first word is die Nudeln. 5 times. Die Nudeln. Die Nudeln. Die Nudeln. Noodlen is wrong. Noodlen is wrong. It is the Nudeln, which means noodles. Please note it down. Okay, I'm moving forward now. You can always pause the video if you are writing. आप हमेशा pause कर सकते हैं video if you are writing. Now, soup is called as the Suppe. Very nice. The Suppe. The Suppe. Die Suppe. Die Suppe. Cake is all-time favorite. So cake is called as der Kuchen. The article is there, which means it is masculine. The gender is masculine for soup. D is written, so it is feminine. So der Kuchen. Der Kuchen. Der Kuchen. Repeat after me. सब बोलेंगे. Der Kuchen. Der Kuchen. Der Hamburger. Der Hamburger. Hamburger is called as der Hamburger. Der Hamburger. Der Hamburger. Der Hamburger. Pizza is feminine, so the pizza. The pizza. Pizza is pizza, same. Just the article is feminine. So we will use the pizza. Fish is their fish. Their fish. Their fish. Their fish. Rice. REIS is the spelling and gender is again masculine. So fish and rice, the gender is masculine. We are using article DER. Their rice. Their rice. Their rice. Their rice. Very nice. Write the spellings. Again, our most favorite pasta. Pasta is pasta. Again, like pizza. The pasta. The pasta. The pasta. Sandwich. Sandwich is called as their sandwich. Spelling is same, the sound is different. Please pay attention. Their sandwich. Their sandwich. Their sandwich. Vegetables are called as the Gemüse. It is U with the umlaut. So it's the English keyboard. I have used UE combination, or you can put two dots on U and remove this E. Okay, write this. You can use Gemüse. Loud and clear with energy. Gemüse. 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 Fruit. Das Obst. Obst. Das Obst. Please note it down. Okay, I'm moving forward. So pudding is the pudding. Again, pasta, pizza, pudding, all are feminine and same like English. The pudding. The pudding. Very easy. Pudding is a sweet dish that you can make at home, like apple pie and other things. Now chocolate. Chocolate is called as the chocolade. The chocolade. The chocolade. The chocolade. Chocolade. Please note it down. Make sure you write the correct spelling of chocolate. Then it is cookies are called as the cakes. The cakes. The cakes. So before we move to the drinks, quickly read it once again, everyone. We started with the noodle, the soup. Speak after me. The soup. Loud. Der Kuchen. Der Kuchen. Der Hamburger. Der Hamburger. Die Pizza. Die Pizza. Der Fisch. Der Fisch. Der Rice. So fish and rice sound is same, spelling is different. Der Fisch, der Rice. Die Pasta. Der Sandwich. Der Sandwich. Die Gemüse. Again, you can use U with two dots and remove this E. Okay, or else you can write this way also. So you can remove this E and you can put two umlaut dots. Not inverted commas, but two dots. Okay. On Gemüse. Then das Obst. Das Obst. Die Pudding. Die Schokolade. Die Kekse. Moving on to drinks now. Please note it down. Lemonade is limonade. Spelling is same. Limonade. So Limo, limo. Then na, de. Limonade. Cola is very easy, like pizza, pasta, pudding. Now another one is cola. Cola is the cola. Juice is their Saft. Their Saft. Tea is their Tee. Again, masculine. Saft and tea are masculine. Their Tee. Coffee is der Kaffee. Der Kaffee. Water, das Wasser. Das Wasser. Das Wasser. Now this is interesting. Der milkshake. Milkshake. Milkshake is milk. Milk is milch. So it will be milkshake. So milk is milch in German and milkshake is milkshake. Please note it down. Okay, a quick revision. Die Limonade, die Cola, der Saft, der Tee, der Kaffee, double F and double E, das Wasser, der Milchshake. Moving further now, we will do some sentences also, we'll do some phrases. Ich trinke Cola. It is an accusative sentence. Ich is the subject, Cola is the object. I drink cola. So repeat after me, I'll speak slowly. Ich trinke Cola. मैं कोला पी रही हूं. I am drinking cola. Ich esse Pizza. I eat pizza. Again, accusative. Ich is the subject. Pizza is the object. Moving on to the third example. Now, this is the question with the modal verb. Möchten Sie Kaffee? Do you want coffee? If you are asking somebody what do they like to have, you can always say, do you want coffee? Möchten Sie Kaffee? I like chocolate. Ich mag Schokolade. Mag is the modal verb which means to like. Ich mag Schokolade. Say it after me. Ich mag Schokolade. See, writing is also important, but speaking is as important as writing. The next one. Er trinkt die Suppe. He is drinking the soup. And the last one. She drinks the tea. Sie trinkt den Tee. This is how you can easily make questions and answers or statement using food items. So some more insight towards how it tastes. Is it nice, bad, sugary, salty? So let's go to our taste buds also. So salty is called as salzig. Salzig. These all are adjectives. Please note, these are not nouns. These are all adjectives. All adjectives will start with small letter in German. What are adjectives? Salty, sugary, spicy, tasty, bitter, again, colors, numbers, tall, short, स्मॉल बिग दीज ऑल आर एडजेक्टिव्स. एडजेक्टिव्स क्या होते हैं? जो किसी चीज की विशेषता बताते हैं. जैसे कुछ भी खाना नमकीन है, मीठा है, टेस्टी है, बुरा है, खट्टा है, कड़वा है. या फिर हम बोलते हैं छोटा, बड़ा, लंबा, चौड़ा. ये सब क्या कहलाता है? आपके विशेषण. सो सॉल्टी इज जालजिग. इसको सब स्मॉल लेटर से शुरू करेंगे एडजेक्टिव्स को. शुगरी इज zuckerish. Zuckerish. Loud and clear. Zuckerisch. Hot. Hot is heiß. Either you can make this a set or you can write double S. So it is heiß. Again, I am saying all adjective will be in small letter. Cold is kalt. Kalt. Spicy is scharf. Scharf. Healthy, gesund. Gesund. Junk food. You can say schnell Imbiss or schnell Gerichte. Nowadays, Germans are adapting this word German junk food as it is also. And you will see in many of the lessons. But typisches Deutsch, typical German is Schnellimbiss or Schnellgerichte. Schnellimbiss, Schnellgerichte. It means junk food. Tasteless. It has no taste. Very bland kind of a food is called as Geschmacklos. Geschmacklos. I repeat, Geschmacklos. 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 Oily or fatty food is called as fetish. Fetish. Delicious is lecker. Lecker. Bitter is bitterlich. 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 सार बड़ा खट्टा है. Bitter is कड़वा. Sour is खट्टा. So खट्टा is called as sour. 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 Like oranges, sour. Fried food. Fried food is called as gebraten. Gebraten. So I'll repeat a quick recap of some adjectives again quickly. Salty, salzig, zuckerisch, heiß, kalt, scharf, gesund, Schnellimbiss or Schnellgerichte, geschmacklos. Geschmacklos. Fetish. Fetish. Lecker. Bitterlich. Sauer. Gebraten. So let's understand some more phrases that you can use. Showing these to you guys. You can pause the video also and write. So first is das Schinken ist gebraten. The chicken is fried. I repeat, das Schinken is gebraten. It is a nominative sentence. We are talking only about chicken. Fried is an adjective. So chicken will be the subject. Their Kaffee ist heiß. The coffee is hot. So again, we are talking only about coffee, and hot is an adjective, hence nominative. The cola is cold. The cola is cold. So cold is adjective, cola subject. Nominative. Wir sollen gesundes Essen haben. We should have healthy food. In this, we have used modal verb. Okay? Sollen. That's why haben is going at the end. So, few more. Last one also we'll do. Die Nudeln schmecken lecker. I'll show it. Die Nudeln schmecken lecker. The noodle tastes delicious. Schmecken is the verb, dative verb. Lecker is the adjective. It is also nominative sentence. So I hope guys you liked this informative video, and do watch all the A1 related videos. I have covered the important points. If you cannot learn in book, there are lot of words are given. At least learn these what I have shown you, and you are done with your food vocabulary and you'll get good marks. So till then, wait for the next series, wait for the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.